a box of Jiffy mix,
2 packets of applesauce.
take the Jiffy mix, put it into a bowl, and then add the applesauce. Mix it all together. Add a little ground cinnamon. Add a pinch of brown sugar. All right, next we want to take our Dutch oven, line it with tin foil, and then spray it with Pam. Take a can of peach slices and put it in the bottom. And a second can. Then we'll take our mix and we'll put it on top. And it should look something like that. Next, we'll add a container of blueberries to the top of the cobbler. Voila. Okay, we're gonna put the lid on and we're gonna put it on the fire, and it should cook for about 15 minutes. Scoop it out and enjoy.
This lasagna looks good. That's very hot.